AI is one of the biggest thing that is leading this next generation to be able to make things happen so much faster. And if you do not hop on this and really learn this skill, you will be left behind. There will be no middle ground. It's either you don't know it or you do know it. There's no in between. And in today's video, I want to show you exactly how to start AI dropshipping, because this business model can get you these type of results quick. You just got to know how to utilize this AI to make it happen even more quicker. And that's exactly what I want to show you today. So as we see, this store did $266,000. I've had a video go over this. And of course, you can watch all of my past videos where I show you how to build your Shopify store with AI, how to find a winning product with AI. But you definitely want to watch this video entirely to get a full understanding of how the system works, so you can go out there and execute and watch the other videos as we move on. So this is one of our simplest ways of going about how to make this work, and it's called the VTB method. Okay, so this stands for validate, test, brand. That's it. You don't have to go ahead and try to do all these different things, do this, do that. All you have to do is validate the product to make sure that it's something that's in demand at the current moment, has great profit margins, and it's something that's going to work today. You test. You want to make sure you test the product before go ahead to the branding part, because this testing phase is where a lot of people quit in this business model. They test this product doesn't work. They test this product doesn't work, and they completely quit when the testing phase is the most important part, because once you brand, you are able to hit these 100K months, these 50K months, these 30K months and beyond. So that is the main way to be able to get these type of results. And what I want to show you is how to do this with AI to the fullest, because with our Kingdom Ecom, we are very driven to one, serve God, but empowering people with the skill to make money online. And we have this AI virtual coach that goes ahead and gives all the things that you need to know. I had a video just drop over how to use this tool to find a winning product, but we're going to use this tool today to be able to help us go ahead and get our first sale. This tool is so good. If you guys get this video to 250 likes, I'll go ahead and drop it for absolutely free. All you guys can have it to be able to utilize it. But if you want to get this instantly, all you got to do is join our Action Taker program, where we have calls every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, going over how to use this tool. But let me show you how well it works. So the first thing that we need to do is validate. Now, the beautiful thing about where we're at in this current situation is we can utilize AI to build our store instantly. And that's exactly how we created the store right here. So let me pull this up to my store. This was all created with AI. It gave 30 winning products. Like I said, go watch the past video, which one of my most recent ones, AI made easy. But this gave us 30 winning products, which is perfect. It makes it easier for us to go ahead and get these sales, because it already has the product page done for us, which is perfect on point. It already has the reviews. It already gives us everything. This is all done with AI. So now it's on our hands to be able to use this to make it a asset, give it us some income. So what we want to do is go ahead and validate this product. So what I want to do is go through these products and then see if this is something that's working right now. So I'm gonna go to this website called Facebook Ad Library and have it go ahead and give it to me. So actually, let's go ahead and use this tool. I'm gonna go ahead, because we already did this. I'm gonna have it go ahead and give me the Facebook Ad Library link. And all I want to do now is go ahead and see if one of these products is good. So I want to test out this infant nail set. So I'm gonna look up this infant nail. It was a different name. We do nail clipper. Baby nail clipper. So I'm just looking up. We got some ads right here. Let's see, we got some more.
The first time I went to a wealthy woman's house in Shanghai and saw this thing.
Nail clipper. So, of course, 61 ads? This probably really solves a problem. Go ahead and look this up real quick. You see how this happens? Now I'm gonna see $28. Not too bad of a price point either. And it's for kids. Oh, wow. So let's go ahead and see how much we can get this product for. So I'm gonna right click this photo, search image with Google, and let's go ahead and see how much. Yeah, this is not the product. Here it is right here, Amazon. Let's see if they got it on AliExpress real quick. Look for the AliExpress link. All I did was right click the photo to go ahead and see if I can find it on there. Let's see. It's on there for 28. We look up 2-in-1 electric nail clipper. Look us up on AliExpress real quick. So we just found a product looking for this other product, but you always find new things whenever, because you know that that is a product that is in current demand. So here it is right here, actually. $4.63 is how much we can get the product for. It really solves a problem too. All in one, and you can sell it for 28. You can sell it for 28.99. And it really does solve a problem. Wow, this is not bad at all. So I'm gonna keep this on standby as we keep looking through, but that's a really good one. Honestly, this might be the one that we want to head and try out. I'm gonna look this up on TikTok to see if they have any new videos for it. Let me look up real quick. You see how quick that was? That was pretty long, man. They do. It does solve a problem. There we go. Another one. This is very, it has
Today's
a
useful
lot
Amazon
factor.
find is this 2-in-1 nail clipper and polisher. It's perfectly safe for babies and adults. And I don't know about you, but cutting my baby's nails is for some reason a nerve-wracking task. He's constantly
Wow. Oh, so as we see, we're going through our top winning products and we found this product that solves a problem. It also goes with one of our winning products that we already have on the store, but this is more of a different one, which is on point, but it also is good. So we can still look for this product, but I really am liking this new one. We already have this product page built out, so I want to show you how easy it is to build a product page with AI now. So now that we got this product that we want to go ahead and move forward with, let's utilize this AI to help us be able to build the product page. So what I want to do is just go ahead and copy this link from our competitor. All we're doing is copying this link and going to this website called Page Pilot. It says it's too easy to be able to do this nowadays. So all I gotta do is click generate and have it generate the product page for us just like that. And sometimes you get this red pop-up if it's not like a Shopify URL, which is okay. We do have the AliExpress URL, but we also can look this product up on Amazon and we can use that URL too as well. So go ahead and actually look it up on Amazon real quick. 2-in-1 electric automatic clipper. I see how easy it is to find winning products now. Now it's all about the clipping, but we see this is like a 3.6 star. That's like, it's like not as, this would probably steer me away from it. It's a 3.6 star too as well. I don't want to have too many chargebacks, too many things like that. So I'm not going to go ahead and move forward this product. But as you see, as soon as I seen that part, I'm like, okay, no. So if it does not look good on Amazon, this gives us a good idea of the reviews of how well the product is. I'm very iffy about it. So not going to go ahead and move forward with it. Our main goal is to find this product. So let's go ahead and keep searching. Go ahead and find some real quick. So I'm gonna look up, instead of this 2-in-1, I'm gonna look up baby nail trimmer. So now let's go see. Here it goes right here. 30,000 likes. 307,000 likes.
How are you guys using this? Like, how? I don't understand. TikTok convinced me to buy this to trim my baby's nails. This is so intimidating. I don't know how this thing's so big. Her nails are so tiny. How do you do this? What's wrong with just using a little baby nail clipper? What's wrong? What's wrong with this thing? This thing works just fine.
I see the comments say, I love it for baby salon. I love it. It's like a baby salon. It's the babiest I've ever replay. Put it on. So they're loving it. We have 600 likes. We have 1,500 likes. So there's videos of people utilizing the product. This could be a hook. So this is where my mind goes when it comes down to being e-commerce and being a marketer. That can be the hook to hook people in and then showcase how we utilize a product. So this could be the front end.
How are you guys using this? Like, how? I don't understand. TikTok convinced me to buy this.
Boom. And then go into like how we're using it. That's given that's a pin drop right there. That is game, that is value. So that is a way that we can market that, and I could have a video showcasing how to create creatives utilizing AI. But let's go ahead and you see these videos. These are perfect. Honestly, I always like to start off by testing out the videos first before we go ahead and start creating some, want to get the sale. So we already have some videos that are looking really good and already have some ideas accumulating. And with our AI store that already has the product all page already built out for us, we need some help on how to actually go ahead and get the first sale for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to our virtual AI coach and get some answers. So I'm gonna say, hey, I switched products, a baby nail trimmer. Now I need help product to sell. So now what I'm doing is I'm telling them I switched my product to the infinite baby baby nail trimmer, and I need some help marketing to get some sales. So let's see what they get us. No worries, it's a great product because it solves a real problem. Parents are afraid of cutting their nails. Exactly. Let's get it marketed and selling fast. So step one, create your winning ad strategy. One, you have the viral video. So that's what we have already. The TikTok, we want to search up baby nail trimmer, baby nail cutter, baby find of products with millions of views or proof, download it with the SnapTick and go ahead and edit it via CapCut or InShot. Oh my. And then have one, write an ad copy. So it already gave us the ad copy to utilize and get yours here. Let's go ahead and do that. That's good. So we like this. This gives us everything that we need. We already have some videos that we could use SnapTick to go ahead and download. Let's go ahead and do one real quick. I really like the one that had like 1,400 likes.
This baby electric nail
lesser clippers, they're not quality of your work. Can you run them on your shirt where they crack?
This baby electric nail trimmer is a
So now I'm gonna go ahead and download this video. And this is all with AI. We're having makes it to you have all the power in your hands to be able to create what you need to create genuinely. So this is like showcasing how to do that to the fullest. So I go in, I'm gonna download one more just to have one for us. Download this one. Just so it has it. And whenever I'm downloading these videos, I want to make sure that it doesn't have no brand name, no logo on it, just so I can test. Remember, we validate, test, and then brand. Whenever we get to our branding part, that's where we create our own ads. We create everything for ourselves. And by that time, we already know what's working and how to make it work. So that is why I like to go ahead and utilize what they already have to start off with, to then go into my next phase, which is branding, to start hitting those 10K weeks, 100K months, and so on and so forth. But as we see, we got the videos just like that. So now I want to say, hey, videos and click page and be able to take a look. So boom, I'm asking it to take a look at it. Love to hear it. So got the product link here to review. Let's go ahead and have it review our product page for us. So it gives us what we need. Once we review, link the post, but let's do it. Dropping the link and having it go ahead and give us. I just checked it out. Product page is off to a great start. Now let's make a few tweaks to increase the conversion rate. The quick fixes to boost the sale. Add a strong hook. Right now, the hook is solving problem. The number one, as this is going on, this is what people charge thousands of dollars to get this type of information. And you now have the ability to have this in your pocket to ask questions anytime. Of course, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have live calls inside of our inner circle till we go over exactly how to use this tool, get feedback, because this is going to only do so much. But once you get in front of people that are doing it, using it actively, that's where you see those type of results. And we just had a student hit $10,000 in sales today. So it's always super cool to see that. As we see, that's $10,000 in sales today. It's Janet, always taking a lot of action. So that's always good. Pretty active community. We have a call tonight. But this literally shows us everything and gives us everything that we need to improve our store. We can go ahead and make those points and do that. So I'm not going to make those adjustments right now. I just want to get some ideas of how to go ahead and go be able to sell this product. Okay, nice. Help me create the ad campaign. So I'm asking to create the ad campaign for this. And then as well, I'm going to go ahead and ask, do you have a video to add? So I'm asking now, can you help me create a campaign? And do you have a video? Let's go to your ad launch. So step one, so a step-by-step guide, watch this full tutorial. And let's see, boom. So it gives us the link to watch. Boom, the ads manager gives us the create baby nail trimmer, Adventures Plus, nice. So it gives us everything that we need, plus the video to go ahead and watch it. Start off with the $10, cool, United States. Gave us the interest to go ahead and move forward with. Oh man, new parents, motherhood, baby parenting, gave us everything. Only target one interest per ad set, still works. And then a single video, upload the best video, gave us the ad copy, gave us the headline, and went ahead and gave us what we need to do to make sure that we are able to monitor our our ads the right way. So it's telling us to make sure we look at the CTR, cost per link click. If it's below that, then it's good. No added cards at 15, turn it off. So this gives us everything. This is an AI coach in your pocket. And like I said, this is worth thousands of dollars, and I want to be able to give this to the public for absolutely free. So if you guys want access to this, just go ahead and get this video to 250 likes. I'll go ahead and drop in the description down below, and then you'll be able to use this right now. Or if you want to get access to this right now, you can go ahead and join our Action Taker program, where you get full access to our GBT, get access to our 3 weekly calls, get live feedback, and be around people that are actually getting sales as we speak. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this video and see what it does. So it takes me to the video of how to go ahead and do this part. So it has like this domain. So let me say, hey, do you have a video or Facebook ads? So I'm gonna have to give it the correct one, step-by-step Facebook ads, because it gave us, so you always want to make sure. So this one gave how to buy a domain, which is also really good. Let's see. All right, you got it. So I just said, oh, that was the wrong video, how to buy a domain. Do you have a video about Facebook ads? And then here it is. So now it gives us the exact video on how to do the Facebook ads. So this is immaculate. This is crazy. Show step by step. So you could go ahead and get this walkthrough of showing exactly how to go ahead and build the campaign for absolutely free with the coach. So, and then as well, you have the interest to go ahead and do it with. So it is impossible to not have the results, because you get these instant answers, these instant access. This is probably one of the best things that's in the game. And this is what we call AI dropshipping. You're doing this with AI to go ahead and build everything for you. And then we'll go deeper into this. Now, if you guys want help on being able to make this happen instantly, just go ahead and apply down below for our Action Taker program to be able to get this going as soon as possible. But of course, if you guys get this to 250 likes, we'll be able to drop this down below, because this is a game changer. Right now, this is only exclusively for our people inside. I'm going to class over tonight showing how to use this, and if you guys want to be in, definitely join. But of course, definitely take action, because this is how you go ahead and test. And then once we go ahead and get through this testing phase, which is whenever we get these sales, get 10, 15, 20, 30 sales, we then go into branding, and that is when we go ahead and take off. And I'm gonna show you how to brand with AI in these upcoming videos, but I'm just showing you how effective this AI is now, and the empowerment that it gives you to be able to create the revenue that you want to create. Of course, hit me up if you need anything. I'm excited to keep taking action, man. See you on the next one. Peace.